Alright.
Keyboard to type, or like once you know which one you're replacing.
Once I know which one it is.
So let's see, what's the first sentence?
It's like, I'll
So I can try to
use this one.
type.
Then I can feel like it's college is when I use computers the most, and then I use the other one.
Yeah, you can type any words.
Okay, so let's type.
Yeah.
So
A
he's
small-
right now demonstrating how to use that Brad Fox jumped over.
So I typed small with an E on the end because I suck at typing, and I just screwed things up further.
Oh, so you can.
So see, it auto corrected it. It got rid of that E on the end, and then let's see. And then we put an O on accident when we're trying to type creek, and it corrects that for you.
Autocorrect that automatically. So autocorrect features working at the back end. And if you type something wrong, the autocorrect. Does autocorrect within browsers or like within the keyboard on a phone? Do they work better or?